everybody, this is Mr. Bennett. Factorization, easy does it. Join me people, join me. Oh, we say education, you know. What up peeps? How things? So go on. What up? What a go on? Should me get the signal you know Mr. Bennett you know man. You know say a mad thing right away. Guys, if you dip on it, hit the like button right away. See it there? Yeah man, see it there? Mad thing again. Just go and share it. Cause some people are complaining and say me I go live and them not have the phone for say boy. So them not have the phone we show we can give the notification. So you know me have to share it, you see me? Mad thing. Alright guys, if you can't do it, just go and meds it. Zin? Yeah man, just go and meds it. We have to start right away. Alright, so we're going to begin now. My ships go already. Till the others join me, don't it? Mad thing, you know, peeps. So, no much class me from morning. I get some. I have to do some work for my subscribers then. Alright? So, we're going to look at 3 different types of factorization. The worksheet me get from a particular school. I'm going to say, you know, it's long overdue now. Top high school too. Alright? So, the first one says 4a square d plus 8a d square. Guys, just go and chat if you're there. See? Make the thing lively. Do a weekend and thing. Right? So what to do is to take out the highest common factor. Right? So the first thing you ask yourself, what's the highest number that can go into 4 and 8 without a remainder? Alright? So that would be 4. So you check the number first, right? So 4 common. So we take out the 4. Next, we check the A. A common to both? Yes. A there so. A there so. Right? A common error is that students take out A squared. But remember, A squared cannot go into A. But A can go into A squared. Alright? So we just take out A alone. And then we have D and D squared. So however, we just take out the D because again, same scenario. So you take out the common, you close the bracket. And then now we're going to divide 4a squared d by 4ad. I'm going to start it off slow so people can kind of get a feel like. Alright, so we're going to rewrite 4a squared d. Mad thing, you know, guys. Once Mr. Benny touched that mad thing, you know already. So 4ad, right? Let me rewrite this first. Show you how we can make maths even simpler for you. So it's going to be a squared mean a times a. So see them? I eat that, guys. I will let a calm phone, man. That must be Jesus. Must be Jesus a call my phone. Who else? Choke thing. I'm gonna link to my subscribers, man. I'm time for nobody. Alright? So there we see it's simplifying now. This is the same thing as 4a squared, so we can cancel. 4 into 4, 1. A cancel A. Right? So we see 1 and the A are going left. Boom. D gone. So we just have A. And another thing, guys, when you multiply 4AD times A, we're supposed to get back this. So 4AD times A, remember add the powers, so we get back the square. See how easy maths is? Alright. Still I go slow, because we give more people time for join too, because people busy. Alright. Watch out now. I need to sort out the phone card them, guys. Forgive you, People can't come on live every night. Although I want to learn still. Alright, so watch out now. We have 8A, we still write it out because I want people get a feel like. Some people don't like show step. So I like show every step, alright? So just bear with me. Right? It's the same thing as 8AD, and we're going to divide by 4 times A times D. Type the answer now, guys. Type the answer. Let me see what I have. 1. Right? So, this into this are 1, and this into this are 2. And then now we can cancel A. D can cancel D. So we see where left. Now D. So this would be our answer. Oh, the 2, guys. This is my for 2, man. Because I wonder, hold on. So, and if we should expand the bracket or multiply both terms by 4AD, we get 4A squared D. 4 times 2, that's 8. A, D times D is D squared. Alright? So take a note of that, guys. I call that factorize by grouping. Pick up everybody who join. Yeah. Share it, guys. Make other people can come on. Share it, make other people come on. Yeah. No joke thing around here. No joke thing around here. I remember, guys, this I go straight until exam. This I go straight till exam. No matter how many classes me have, I still a come on this. You know what I mean? And everybody can afford tutoring. So me I be the one to cater for them people. So who you know want it, just tell them. No bias thing. Doesn't matter where in the Caribbean, where in the world, them welcome. Alright? So you guys have to share it to me. You feel me? Me alone can't do it, alright? Me alone can't do it. Me need no help. Alright, guys. So we could continue now. The next one we have is big up to the ladies them who support me on my channel. Big up to the gentlemen them too, who are the future leaders. Alright? So Benita always do the phone. Alright, so now we have x squared minus 1. Now this is what we call the difference of 2 squared. So what we can do, guys, is we're gonna do it the long way just to show people. Because a lot of people don't get this. What it means is that x squared, see in the middle as 0. That's what it actually means, right? So we want two numbers, now when we multiply them, it gives us -1, and when we add them, we get 0. So let's just do the rough work out there. So x squared times 1, so it's ABC. So it's x squared times -1. And guys, look out for my marathon, alright? Anybody interested in marathon, just link me. Anywhere you are in the world, in the Caribbean, alright? In fact, I'm teaching over 7 Caribbean countries. No students from that. So, doesn't matter where you are, so we need to go reach, alright? Alright, so that is going to give us x squared. So we need two numbers. When we multiply them, it gives us -x squared. And when we add them, it gives us 0. Right? So that would be x minus x times x. That gives us negative x squared. And negative x plus x give us 0. So what I want to do is to replace this with negative x and positive x. So it's x squared, put the positive up front, minus x minus 1. Alright? Then cut the bracket. Guys, I just do the each up this down here so because the thumbnail. We don't want to get a nice thumbnail. So that's why I each it up longer. So but we're going to work up on top right now. Alright, so x is common here. So that's x into x squared, x into itself, 1. Put the minus. When something is common, 1 is always common. Remember, 1 is a factor of all numbers, right? So we take out the 1, and then we have that negative 1 into negative x. That's positive x, and negative 1 divided by negative 1, that's positive 1. So in the end, we get x plus 1 and x minus 1. But we're going to do those up the top. Alright, I just do this for the thumbnail, so I don't want to eat it up down there, so I want everybody can see. So I'm gonna do this one up here, so just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Share it. You know how you share it, guys. Just bear with me, alright? Yeah, mad thing. You know the joking, you know. They have to help people. That I go on, what I go on. Yeah, man, big up everybody will like it, man. Yeah. Positive movement, you know, guys. I do the entire syllabus until exam. I'm going to do multiple choice, I do past paper, I do everything. Topic by topic. Nobody can't weak, you know. Everybody have to learn. Because everybody wants to earn. Alright? So I'm going to rewrite this up here, so. So my number there too, 5492161. That's WhatsApp, and I make set up the class. We don't even charge for registration and everything. Package deal I run out, you know. I'm giving it a pass up. If I teach for free, I can't teach for discount price. Guys, a joke thing in the pan, you know. We not run down the money. Alright? So let's go. We're gonna do this one. So it's 2x squared plus x minus 15. I'm gonna do this the factor method, alright? What the thing we do from morning, you know, guys? We teach prep class, we teach lower school, we go to school, we teach again. We train the youth seminar table tennis. Come home, hold a shower. I eat this again, you know. I will have to make time for you. I have to make time for the youth because I know the future. Alright? So first we say A. Not even share it in my group. You know I'm gonna do that? I'm sure it in my group, guys. I mean, I like a group, you know, we have private students there. Although them if subscribe, you know, so they know what I want. Still I share it. If they're willing to go a private class, they're most willing to go a free class and so. Yeah, man. Alright, everybody can join the link now. We're going to 1 second. So we're going to do that the factor method again. As I say, guys, it's a worksheet, a very nice worksheet. So we're going to make the turn thing. Alright. Pancho, big up yourself, Pancho, same there. Yeah. Live in the living colors, you know. Alright, so let's look at this now. So first, we're going to multiply A times C, so it's A times C, and this rough work is the most important part of it. This is where the answer is going to come from. So multiply A times C, so that gives us 2x squared times negative 15. Positive times and negative, that's negative. So 2 times 15, that's 30. I'll put back x squared, right? List all the factors of 13 that we are doing in pep class, factors. So it's 1 times 30, 2 times 15. Notice guys, me list all the factors. Me not meds go on it. Me just list all the factors. Back to primary school. 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. You see, after we do that now, guess what happen now? We are going to meditate and see which one of them pair here, which is the factors, which one of them can give you 1. The difference or the sum of 1. So I commence it. Come on, people learning because yo, Mr. Benny class on a joke. Watch out now, guys. If you add 30 and 1, it's either 2 number you can get. Watch out. You add this, you get 31. You subtract 1, you get 29. That can't be 1. Someone pick the guy exam for reason out. See, set them 1, you know. 2 plus 15, that's a 17. If you subtract, that's a 13. Is you man say, guys? Alright, 3 plus 10, that's a 13. 10 minus 3, that's a 7. Which may write 17. Right? 5 plus 6, that's a 11. 6 minus 5, that's a 1. So already we know that this. And these are the only one we can give you a difference of 1. So when students I make them something or struggle them in an exam. No guys. You can't be a part of my channel and go exam go struggle with no topic at all. You man? No topic at all you're not supposed to struggle with. Alright? So we know say we're gonna replace this with 5 and 6. But we must set them up in such a way that we get a positive x. Alright? Or a positive 1x. Only way we can get, so it's either one out of 2 things. It's either we're going to have negative 5 plus 6 or negative 6 plus 5. One out of them. Which would it be, guys? Which one of them they can give a positive 1x? Type that in the comment section. In the chat now. In the chat. Which one of them can give it? Which would give us positive 1? Alright. Shavin Samuel said negative 5 plus 6. Excellent, miss. Very excellent. We can also rewrite this as something there, you know, guys. As 6. I'll show my students this and the master, sir. We never know we can do that. Of course you can. Because guess what? The 5 is negative same way. So you can. As long as you have the sign in front of them and this is positive. So 6 minus 5, that is 1. So watch our style now. We're going to replace x with 6x and 5x. But we're going to set it up now way as the value don't change of the question. So we have 2x squared. Now change color now, guys. Plus 6x, as we can do that, minus 5x. Notice the value of this is 1. Right? So we don't change the value of the question. Big up everybody who join. Doesn't matter where you're from, you're welcome here, right? And then now we're gonna factorize. So guys, remember at this point we go back to primary school. We're gonna take out the highest common factor. The highest. So first, as I always tell my students, check the number first. What the rush about? Check the number first. Right? Which was the highest number that can go into 2 and 6 without a remainder. Right? We know that 1 is a factor of our number, but we must take the highest common factor. The highest common factor. Alright? So what's the highest number that 2 and 6 can go into without a remainder? Check that out for me and tell me. Big up Chimola Campbell. Welcome to. Yeah man. Rebecca, you're large. Alright? So that would be 2. The highest number that 2 and 6 can go into would be 2. And we know that x is common. So that's x. As x is here, x is there. And we do the same thing like what we're doing. You divide 2x squared by 2x. So this is the same thing I'm saying. 2x squared divided by 2x and 6x divided by 2x. But we know that we can rewrite this as well. 2 times x. So Ben, you take nothing for granted, you know. That's why so much people get distinction. So we know they on the joke thing. Yeah, when I joke time, we joke, but once a maths time, a serious thing. And then 2 cancels 2. So we have x. And we do the same thing. 2 into that 1, 2 into that 3, but the x cancel the x. So that's not plain maths this. Alright. So after we done that now, we have made the next bracket. Whatever sign in here, we must put it back. So this is a minus, so we put it back there. So alright. And then now we ask ourselves, what the highest common factor of 5 and 15? What the highest number can go into 5 and 15 without a remainder? Here, I see somebody type it. Type it in, guys. Let me see what I got. Ashley Daly, big up yourself. Shavina Samuels, big up yourself. Shavine Samuels. Very good. So that's 5, right? And then now, we just close back the bracket because there's no x in this one, guys. X is here, but there's no x here. Alright, so we close the bracket and we divide now. Alright? And we know if we divide because we go primary school. And guys, I was telling this to my students the other day and they were laugh. 10 minutes of studying keep the dunceness away. Alright? 10 minutes of studying every day keep the dunceness away. And we don't want the dunceness coming away. Them say apple. I don't know about that. Right? So we divide this into this and we get positive x. Negative 15. Let me show that step here because some people don't get it. Negative will cancel a negative. And then 5 into itself 1, 5 into this 3. As a Brittany would say, anything you get here, so you're gonna get it right here, so. If you don't get it, something wrong. Double check something. Some sign or something go wrong. Alright? And then now, let us finish it up, alright? So this rough work is the most critical part. And I'm gonna give you guys one to try, and then we see how it goes. So this is common, so we have x plus 3, and then we write what is outside, which is, guys, we will never see that. Color code. Color code. Hit the like button for that. Come color code it. Yeah, guys. So this was outside, which in the purple, that would be the answer. 2x minus 5. Alright? So go ahead, meds it, guys, and then you're going to try this one for yourself. And I see 2x minus 5 and x plus 3, and that is Samuel's. Alright? Big up the you to get the tablet, and now I'm going to see make a comment, you know. Yeah. That one start, you know, start big something for subscribers and US things, the chefs go already. Encouragement, sweet and labor. Even though somebody are gonna say, yo, the medication, Mr. Benny. They might use, so no want money to. No want money to spend. Once a legitimate way, nothing wrong with that. Alright, government to bring in something like that. And you reach night 13, you can earn money. Without your meds for thief, no. Or scamming all them phone and shit. Alright, so I want you guys to try this one. No, put a smaller number. Alright. Do that one here, guys. 2x squared plus x minus 10. Try that one for yourself. I give you guys about 3 minutes to do it. If you just watch the playback, pause the video and do it. I'm not talking, you don't have to pause it, just continue. Just go and work. And again, guys, thanks for the likes, thanks for the love. I know it's a Saturday and thing. And what if a party are going, but you're still there with me. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Guys, whatever answer you get, type it in fast so I can see what I go on with you guys, alright? Now move until somebody complete it so we can get to respond to the answer. Shavin Samuels, big up yourself. Shimola Campbell, big up yourself also. Thanks for the comments, guys. Really appreciate it. Alright. Somebody must have the answer now. Let me check the chat. See more people come on at 14 likes. Oh, the kid gravity. Yeah, man, you're late, man, but we are going to do sometime same way, man. Why I say kid gravity, man? Yeah. Turn on your notification, man. Thanks for the likes, guys. Yeah. We start 26 minutes ago, but we are continuing, man. We just have to do some work. I have a worksheet to me I work with. Yeah. So I wait for the answer. Somebody type in the answer before we move, alright? So you have factorize 2x squared plus x. Now let's walk on the 3 step. First, you multiply a times c. When you get the product, you list all the factors of the answer. And then now, you see which one of them can give positive 1x. So the difference should be 1. Alright? You're late, but welcome, man. Welcome. I remember the playback there, guys, where you can actually watch it. Rennie, big up yourself. Open up on the live right now. Make a sound. Yeah. A mad thing, you know, guys. I don't know how you go thing me up on, you know. Mad thing. Straight A profile, we say, you know. Just like the class last year, everybody gets straight A. That man look for, you know. Why it can't work? Of course it can work. Everybody can get straight A. Alright? So I'm not see nobody put it in, so I walk you guys through it. Oh, somebody said 2x plus 5 and x minus 2. And that is Shevin. Alright, thanks so much guys for the comment. 2x plus 5 and x minus 2. So bear that in mind. Alright? What about the others? Alright, go and type it in until me done. So first we label them A, B, C. So we have A, B, C. Alright, remember it's a worksheet. So we have 2x squared minus 10. So we multiply A times C. That's the first thing. And that will give us negative 20x squared. Right? So now we list all the factors of 12. Right? Factors of the number can go into 20 without a remainder. So 1 times 20, 2 times 10. This is the trick, you know, guys. These are the trick. Them factors here. Once you get the factors them here and you're good, then you're good for life. Alright? More and more people are coming on, man. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. So, first see which one of them is difference of 1, difference of 19, difference of 8, so difference of 1. So, this. Alright? So, we're going to replace x with 5x. We're going to set it up in such a way that we get positive 1x. And we know, say, it's going to be 5 times 4. Even if you just come on, you can watch back the playback, you know, guys. So that would give us the value of 1x minus 10. Put our bracket now in pairs. I mean, I want nobody to put no bracket with no negative in it. Put the bracket out that door. Alright? See there? So look carefully. I'm not put no bracket, no negative inside. Mr. Students give me that already. Them think they hurt my head. Alright? I don't know I'm giving a headache. Alright, so now we have a challenge. We want to factorize 2x squared plus 5x. Now the highest, there's no number can go into 2 and 5 without a remainder, because remember 5 is a prime number. So what we do, we focus, we can say 1. We can just put the 1 there, because some students kind of tend to say, okay, oh Lord. We see students actually divide this by 2 already and say 2.5. No guys, you can't do that, alright? 1 of the highest common factor, and then you focus on the x terms. So x will go here, and then you divide 1 into, let me write it out. One thing we Mr. Bennett, you know, like show the steps there. Nah, I like about them and them. I just love that about that teacher there. Boom. 1 into that, 1 into that, 2. So we know so we'll get 2x there, so. And then we go so boom, 5x divided by 1x. Boom, x gone, x cancel x. 1 into that, 5. So that's the 5 alone I got there, you know so. See it? Nice and easy. Cool runnings, Jamaican style. Alright? Hit the like button if you're just joining, guys. I could not say that because that's the only way. Right now, YouTube I tell me say one person I watch. But me I said there's no way one person can give me so much likes. Put the minus, and then you find the highest common factor of 4 and 10. Right? So what is the highest number that can go into 4 and 10 without a remainder? Make that now, guys. What's the highest common factor? Is it 1? No. 2, because 2 can go into all even number. So put minus 2 here, so we can't put the x because there's no x with the 10. X not common, you only common to this. Students sometimes put 2x or so. Let me listen when we are talking now. Alright? There's no way we can have x, it have to be common to both. No, there's no x in this. So don't put the x to the students. 1, 2, no man. Alright, boom. So we close our bracket and then we say negative 4x divided by negative 2. The negative cancel the negative, and 2 into 2, 1, 2 into that, 2. So we get the 2x. So we see the girl 2x plus 5. Alright? And then now negative 10 divided by negative 2. Remember negative divided by a negative give us positive. Okay, the board look clean and pretty now. Done with the factors already. These are the key to it though. Right? And then now we're gonna rewrite what's inside the bracket and what is outside. So we have 2x plus 5, and then what's outside, which is x minus 2. Sometimes students do it to this and not get the right answer. Joke thing though. Don't give on the marks, guys. See, say Quarabun now your time, but Mr. Bennett now allow it. Alright? So you put what is outside, which is this. Put the sign along with it. Notice I didn't put x plus 2 because it's minus 2 outside. So I just put the minus 2. Alright? So you guys ready for try on the next one? Well done. I think Shevin got that one correct. So well done, Shevin. We're gonna proceed. Yes, indeed. Alright, let me just look for the next one, guys. And guys, if I get one wrong, that's nothing, you know. Mr. Bennett now quarrel for that. This is the place where you make all the mistakes. But we are gonna sort it out before exam. Simple as that. Alright? So we're gonna fix things before the exam. So for now, make all the mistakes. But we're gonna fix things. Multiple choice are come up. Remember biochemistry, physics, TD, IT, EDPM, oh Lord, social studies. Everything up on my channel now, guys. So if you're not subscribed, you need to do that. No long chat. Alright, let me just look for another one, and then you guys can do it. Alright? Good job, guys. We're not done it, you know. So we can share with your friends. Because Saturday, where we are going to go? And lockdown. We're going to make the corona catch you, you know, because we are live forever. Because you want money if you spend. Say that again. Mr. Bennett say, every youth for money if you spend. Alright, so let's go, guys. I want you guys to try this one. This time, it's going to be different in terms of it's not going to be one. And I want you guys to go ahead and, oh Lord, do this one on your own. Alright? I'm going to see who can get that one here. Let me see who I think. 2x squared plus 9x minus 10. Go ahead and do that one. Well, everybody up to date. Give them an update. Yeah. Guys, you know the shop's got already, don't you? Alright, so we have 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Guys, share to the classmates, share to the neighbor, all if we not talk. We don't know how people live by their neighbor. But share it, guys, just share it. Share it to the church member, share it, everybody feel learn. Everybody if you know about that channel, you know. Because a free tutoring. Everybody must take advantage of it, alright? And if you're just joining and you like what we do, hit the like button. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, hit the like button, make people can see what I go on. Alright, now go check the chat now and see if nobody finished. We're not going to start it until somebody actually finish. Because I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to finish working it. Alright? Yeah, man, hit the like button if you're just forward, if you're watching the playback, hit the like button, guys. No matter, that's all I say. Hit the like button. I don't say if you pay $1, just hit the like button, that's all. Yeah. More and more people are hit the like button. Respect, guys, respect. Alright, so I'm looking at the chat. I'm waiting until you guys finish. So just remember, A times C, then list all the factors of whatever answer you get. And then now you see which one can give you positive 9x. And from there, you just replace the 9x with the factors that can give you that. Alright? And remember, factors are numbers when multiplied can give you the product there of whatever you get. Sound confusing, but it's very easy. Alright? Yeah, man, guys, big up. I see 3.3k now. Things are growing on. It grow slow, but what? You have to be grateful. Alright? You see a man with 60,000 views. And when we check it at 29 subscribers. So, I'm grateful. Alright? I never give nobody no subscriber. People don't. Alright, guys. I don't see nobody do it yet. But guess what? I'm gonna start it and then people can catch up. Okay, so someone says x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. And that is Chevine again. Alright? So bear that in mind. So first we label it ABC. Guys, you notice my style? I'm gonna just come on and do it. I'm gonna try. Just like when in a class, you try and then you can move point correction. Alright? So we say A times C, right? So it's a product of AC, so that's 2x squared times negative 5. And its sign is very important. That gives us negative 10x squared. Why may I itch it up so? Why am I telling you something? So this goes minus 10x squared. And then now we list all the factors of 10. So we have 1 times 10, that is equal to 10. So I show my PEP students them, you know. Alright? 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. And then now we see which one of them can give us positive 9x. Right away we know it's 9 and 1 and 10, right? Because 10 minus 1 gives us 9. Alright? And we know which one is supposed to be positive, the bigger one. That's what this sign tells you. Which of the term should be bigger. Bigger. You get that? This tells us which of them should be bigger. Big up the Jamaican Juice Company bigger. Right away. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's go. We're going to replace it with 10 minus 1 because that is equal to 9. Alright? I remember we can't change the value of the question. So we said 2x squared plus 10x. Don't forget the x now. Minus x. You can put x or you can just put 1x. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. I know some students like to put it. It's perfectly fine. Whatever you feel comfortable with, not a problem. You go restaurant, if you want enough gravy, you get enough gravy. Even if it got your issue that. Alright? So whatever you feel comfortable with, not a problem. Once you don't change the value of the question, it is perfectly fine. Now, our challenge is now to find the highest number that can go into 2 and 10 without a remainder. And that would be 2. 1 is a factor, but we want the highest common factor. So that will be 2. And x is common. We discussed that already. That would leave x. We kind of go pro now. 10x divided by 2x is 5 because the x I go cancel the x, right? Put the minus. Again, when nothing is common, 1 is always common because 1 is a factor of all numbers. Alright, so we'll put 1. Negative 1 divided by negative x, that gives us positive x. As what one of my students would say, sir, I noticed that whenever you do it, the same thing you get here, so, and the same thing you get this, so. And then when we say, yes, you are perfectly correct. I learned something from you. And she said, sir, I didn't know that long time. But anyway, so negative 1 into that gives us positive 5. And then now, we say x plus 5. Shavin, we have 1 for killing and 2x minus 1. Let us test your metal with the next one. I hope everyone learning, hope everyone following, so you guys can be as sharp as Shavin. Alright, so you can always watch the playback. Hit the like button. Jonathan Williams, big up yourself. The kids brain now function tonight. Hey, what? A good thing, I'm not going to delete the video. It's going to dip on it, right? So you can go back on the video, watch from the start, because we have discussed something at the start. Yeah. Big up Jonathan. Up man, up. Up like bigger. No, that Jamaican product, bad drink that, guys. I don't think they will go up on you. Alright, so I'll give you one more to try. No man, nobody get nervous, man. Easy something this, man. Easy something. Guys, you can always watch back the playback, That's the thing there. Watch it back in your own time. Try them for yourself. And you can see if we make any error. For me, you man, you can make error too, don't. Or if you see, if you can get back the same thing. So just get a blank paper, get the question, try it by yourself, look on the book, just complete it and look if it's right and so forth. That is how you study by yourself. Alright? So with the video, that's how I want you guys to focus on. Alright, that one here now. Let me just challenge this girl. We're going away on my channel. X squared minus x minus 30. Can you guys do that one? Go ahead and do that one, guys. Oh, Jonathan, same started Friday. Alright. Yeah, man, big up, big up. Mad thing, man. I'm going to cheat with my students already, but you know it already. Still I put in the work, because we are cater for everyone, guys, and not just some persons, alright? So try that one, guys. X squared minus 30. X squared minus x minus 30. What's the difference between that one? Thanks for the likes, guys. What's the difference between this one and the previous one? Alright? So I'm gonna wait until you guys try it. And if you're watching the playback, please ensure that you try them on your own. It's very important, guys. See where you make an error, if you made an error, or see where your strength. You can't go into battle without knowing your strength and your weakness. Right? CSEC is a battle. You are battling to get a job. So you have to be prepared for that. Alright? Thanks everyone for joining. Me know say Saturday have a party at the government open the country. Like say, you want the virus to spread like wild disease or something. You know what I'm telling you know. I want my advisor man. I better need to call me, you know, and tell me make me know for run the country. Joke thing. When little tip of people have the virus, before them get everybody tablet and something and free internet. Wow, Pinnock, wow go on the car though. Yeah man. There here man. Hope you watch back the playback in the car though. Welcome, welcome. I put in the work, you know, guys. You know, wait till exam. Alright, so somebody type in the answer so we can begin. Guys, the next thing we have to go work on with you guys are your speed, right? Want you guys to be very fast. Alright, so someone says x plus 5 and x minus 6. Guys, you know, watch that girl, you know, she been do this already, you know, me just know. Pick up, Damien Hines, up, Damien Hines, yeah man. Mad thing, my brother. Yeah. Thanks for the guys who put in the something. More time I go to school, some students I say, sir, I'm in there for your life. You said this, said that. But them not type it and comment. They are welcome just the same, right? And everybody like type and you know, some people are silent and they just want to do it and do them thing. Alright. So let us look at this one and see if Shevin got this one correct. Guys, do remember to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, you know, if you tell you that, just do that. Maths, everything they on it except English. Nah, but no English or nothing, you know. But I'm not really awesome at that, alright? But nevertheless, I try to get a little pretty teacher who can do some work so we can enjoy the presentation and something, alright? And pay them. Alright. So first we label it ABC. And then we multiply A times C. Right? And that is x squared. How much Jesus are calling me? Why do I call me? They not subscribe to my channel for them say me there live. Choke thing. Decline. Alright? So list all the factors are 30. 1 times 30. 2 times 15. 3 times 10. 5 times 6. Again, a 5 and 6. But this time, we have a different challenge. We must get -1. So if we say 6 minus 5, if we get a positive, it must be -6 plus 5 now, you know. And students come on like this hard. Come on, man. It's not hard. Alright? So we're going to replace it with minus 6x, because this tells us which of the sign must be bigger. Which of the term, right? So that's -6x plus 5x. Now we're going to subtract. However, we're going to get -1 right here. And guys, you can check out my integer videos. Hope Shannon Bowley upon this, you know. Hope you know that. Alright. And then now, we just take out the common factor, which is x. X into x squared is x. And that gives us -6. This is a plus, so you put back the plus, right? What's the highest number can go into 5 and 30? That would be 5x divided by 5 and -30 divided by 5. So that cancel that. So that leave x. Negative and positive gives us negative, and that gives us 6. So we get minus 6. So again, Shavin is correct. And x plus 5. Alright. Thank you guys so much. Let us proceed again. Alright. Someone said, which grade work this? Alright. Oh, Jamaica run. It's like schools gives at different times. Some schools do it at grade 9, some do it at grade 10. Some schools do it at grade 11. But for me, with my private students, you can get it up to grade 8. Because I explain everything so them can understand. I simplify everything, that's how I am. Alright? So it doesn't matter the age, we try to simplify it as much as possible. You can teach this to a grade 7 and them actually get the concept. Right? But what I would do is I wouldn't show them the negative, just be a positive. I've done that before. Alright? Where grade 7 actually master this with the positive, but then the negative would pose a problem until you teach them about integers, positive and negative number. Alright? So let us look at the worksheet and see if you guys can do another one from it. Alright? Hold on there, guys. Okay, see, man. See what going on. Oh, big up my pep people, them. One thing with them love homework. I look a while ago, guys, on my phone. I be a parent just say, Mr. Benny, send the homework. Pep students, they think homework like a Valentine's Day gift, you know, man. You have to give them homework. I'm done with send it still. I'm go and meditate this now. Just go back on the worksheet, get out for next question. Alright? Pep students think if you don't get homework, then you learn nothing. Then get big, you think I'm go on to an assignment, my big feet now, trust me. They are coming in and doing nothing. Alright, so here we are now. Alright, we could clear the board and show them this thing. Alright guys, so this one now is no longer the triple one. This one is very interesting. It is factorized by grouping. Alright, so the first one says 3x squared this easy, man. 6x plus 2x plus 4. They make it easier for you. Go ahead and factorize it. I think it is hard. They make it easy, man. They make it easy. Go ahead and do that one, guys, and then we'll look at some more, alright? Factorize that, guys. Type in the answer and then we can see what we're going, alright? Thanks to everybody who come out and think, you know, it go already. Saturday day that me like literally full up of classes. But we have to find some time for the subscribers them, don't it? Yeah man, I have to do it. I have to do it. Alright, so it's 3x squared. Somebody said 18x plus 4. Someone said 8. Someone said 10. Oh, I think someone was answering grade 8. It depends, guys. In Jamaica, different schools do different things at different stages. But at the end of it, everyone completes the syllabus. If anybody and from Trinidad, Barbados, just tell us. I think they say form 5. So 3x plus 2. Alright, I see some answers. Alright. Guys, we have to work on our speed. Remember, that's very important. So we just have to do what we have to do. Guys, you see what they did? They actually group them already for us. So all we have to do is just put a little bracket and we're good. So let's go. It's very easy. I don't want nobody say they never see this yet. I rarely see this though. But the worksheet add it, so I just put it. Alright. So we take out the highest common factor. So we check the number first. The highest number that can go into 3 and 6, which is 3. X is common to both. So we take out the x, not the x squared, right? Because x squared cannot go into x without a remainder, alright? So that leaves x, and this leaves 3x into 6x. The x cancel the x, and that leaves 2. So we go ahead, put the plus. What's the highest number can go into 2 and 4? That is indeed 2. 2 into 2x, that's x, and 2 into 4, 2. Very simple. So it's x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. You guys can type it in fast before me. Alright? Gonna look at the worksheet, then look at another one. And then we proceed. What? 30 likes, guys? Are so much people upon it? YouTube tell me say one person, you know. Lord Jesus. Me happy, man. Me happy. Me do one more. More and more people seems to be showing interest in them work from early. That is good. That is good. A pandemic, guys, and we are do it, don't it? Yeah. We are do it. Alright. This one is not this one is factorized by grouping. As I say, guys, this is a worksheet from one of Jamaica's best high schools. And this is for one of my students that I tutor. Right? I have this for some while. He's in grade 10. Yeah. So some schools do it from grade 9, some do it at grade 10. Alright. So now I want to see who can manage this one. Remember, I take out the highest common factor. Guys, this can be really, really tricky, and I want to see how you guys handle this one. Alright? As I say, it's a worksheet from grade 10. Someone has asked in what level. But in Jamaica, some school do it at grade 9, some do it at grade 10. Alright, factorize this. And I can give you a little hint. You're going to factorize it by grouping. So it's not the ABC method, but by grouping. That's the hint, alright? More and more people are coming online, man. 8:06 now. I say early. Guys, I could do some work, man. Make could do some work. I'm not catching regular, you know. So I'm not log on now. Guys, so turn on the notification from now on, man. No joke about it. Turn them on, turn them on. No need to know when I go on. I go on regular, you know, man. Somebody said them don't read so far. Alright, you can go ahead of your teacher, alright? Just make sure say watch back the playback. Nothing wrong with that, you know. You don't want to know more than your teacher. Yeah, man. I'll go faster than your classmate. No matter of fact, share to the classmate. Let them know what I go and say. There's hope. I wonder how I reach our pin quality, you know. If there's something wrong with you, I run go over there long time, you know. But just because me not do nothing wrong, nobody no go over there. What not do? What not? Somebody still don't understand this one. Oh, Marbeer. Big up Marbeer. Him and you to get the tablet. Big up yourself, Antoine Marbeer. You know, somebody go post a video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, man. Him and you to get the tablet. Me feel good now. Alright, somebody said they don't understand this one. So what I'm gonna... Marbeer, hit the like button, please. Welcome, man. Welcome. Alright. So guys, I'm going to be doing this one since as person said they don't understand, and then I do another one. I think I see one like this on it. Alright? So we're going to be factorized by grouping. So for each one of them, let me just walk you through it step by step. Alright, as I say, grade 10, St. Mary's College, you guys will be doing this shortly also. So first we focus on the numbers, right? So what's the highest number that 3, 9, and 6 can go into without a remainder? Put that in the comment section. What is the highest common factor of 3, 9, and 6? Let's take it back to primary school. 3, 9, and 6. What number is that? Go in the comment section. Alright, somebody said 3. Jonathan said 3. Nicardo said 3. Makina. Big up Makina. Jennifer Rose. Yeah, 3. Very good. So guys, that's the first thing. We take out the 3 now. We shall put it in purple so everybody can see. Yeah. So we take out the 3. And that is common. So next we focus on the x, right? We have x to the third, x. We have to take out the highest common factor. If we take out x cubed, you can't go in a them smaller one here, right? If we take out x squared, you can't go in a x cubed. So we just take out the x. We do the same thing for y. We have y so y4, y3. So we just take out the y. And then we're good to go. Now we are divide 3x y into 3x cubed y. Right? 3 go cancel the 3. This one we are divide. When we are divide, for example, x to the third divided by x to the 1 is the same thing as x times x over x. Boom. One of the x gone. So when we are dividing, it's as if we are minus. So it would be x to the 2. I'm if you doing a teacher, you know. Alright, so this now would give us the y good. So y cancel y, so just x squared alone left for this term. And then we do the same thing. 9 divided by 3. Negative 9 rather. So put back the negative and we get 3 into 9, that's 3. X cancel the x, y4 minus y1, so that's y3. Remember, I show you that step there. And then now we're good to go. Alright? So let us look at this one now. 3, 6 into that. That's 2. X squared divided by x, that is just x. And then we have y3 divided by y, that leaves y2. And that would be our answer. Alright? So this one is factorized by grouping. If you're new here, guys, hit the subscribe button. Alright? Share it on your social media. Go on your Instagram. Because no longer 60% will fail in the Caribbean. No longer. That has to stop. It has to stop now. Alright? You can get the free help. You guys just have to take advantage of it. Alright? Jonathan saying put 3 for everyone. But remember, you know, Jonathan, when you multiply it, you're supposed to get back the answer. So look, 3xy times 3x squared, that will give you 3x cubed y. No, but a y, yeah, y. Because no y did here, so right? Next, 3 times negative 3, that's 9. X, I go call this, so y1 times y3, that's y4. Because remember, when you're multiplying, it's as if you're adding the powers. So it will be plus that. So you would this up. 3 times 2, 6. X times x, x squared. Y times y squared, y cubed. Alright? So makes it little guys. I'm gonna set one just like that now. And you guys attempt it. Alright? Let's go back on the worksheet. Very nice worksheet. Alright, so let me just can't listen to voice note now, no peeps. I'm up on my live. Talk to you later. I have to put in work. Alright, let me see. Oh Lord. People like me teaching, you know, guys. So I always have a lot of people that text me or ask about classes, but later I deal with that. It's more important, you know. As I tonight, them are going to start, don't it? Them now going to start class with me tonight, so you can always link them and give them the details. Alright? So you guys try this one. And tell me when you guys tired, you know. Because Mr. Benny can't tire. A joke. Alright, this one says 5pq square plus 6p cube q3 minus, the teacher the kind of angry still, you know. I never understand maths teachers. Such cruelty to these young students. Why would they do that? Why? Why? Try that one, guys. Try that one. That is a crazy question. Why would they do that to our young kids? I don't know why. So, the worksheet harder than some C-set question. Hey, I'm on a live here. I'll call you back. I'm working. I'll call you back. Alright, guys. Marbia, welcome, welcome. So when you get the answer, guys, so we can begin it, alright? For the persons who are watching the playback, please try. Alright, guys, I'm so happy. I went over an hour. That is awesome. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Big up everybody who joined. Yeah, you guys could say you want to watch movie and all of that and chill. Netflix and chill. But you still find the time, come out and, you know, forward and think on the thing. Participate, do some questions, alright? So guys, you know you can type in some topics where you want. We're going to do everything. You don't have to do that. We're going to do everything. I tell you the truth. Man, you can't switch, man. Just work with me, man. Work with me channel same way, man. Me help you same way, man. Alright? Man, go to my school, you know, guys. Yeah, man, you get a tablet. I'm happy for you, man. You speak so intelligent. Yeah. Alright. So let us look at this one now, guys. This one can be a little bit tricky, right? So we notice we have 5 years so, 6 years so, 9 years so, right? There's no number that can go into all three of them. So we just forget about that. 1. 1 is a factor of all numbers. So we can use 1 to kind of represent it. We have p, p cube, and p squared. So we just put the p. Can't use p squared, right? Because it can't go in a p. And then now, q here so, q here so, q here so. Like that one here, guys. Because see, them each are a little r here so. But r not common to this, you know, and r in this. So we load that. Go one side. Alright? And then now we say 1 into 5, 5. P into itself, 1. It all cancel itself, right? And q, so we just leave q. Alright? And then now, meds this now. 1 into positive 6, that's positive 6. P cube, I'm just trying to show up some person this. It's the same thing as P times P times P over P, right? Boom, 1 gone. That is why them says like we are subtract. So we have P squared. And same thing, we have Q cube, that sounds QT, Q cube. So we have Q cube. Guys, remember you always can watch the playback. So we have Q cube divided by, see there? Q. So that's Q times Q times Q. Some old man a drink a Q around now. And then you have that Q squared. Alright? So next we focus on the minus 9. Alright? Guys, remember you can watch back the playback, alright? So that into that leave minus 9 p squared, which is p squared divided by p, is the same thing as p times p divided by p. And then now you get, oh, this is 9. That's a p. Alright, so we have q to the 7th. Remember? Divided by q. So that's q to the 6th. And then now we just put what the r, because there's nothing to do with the r. And voila, we are finished. Alright? So guys, you know it already. I'm a bit tired and thing. Big up everybody. Thank you guys so much for joining. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please do so now. Please share on your social media, on your Instagram, because you know someone popular, you know. Popular. So just share it so others can benefit too, alright? I want to help as many persons as possible. So I appreciate all of you. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to come on tomorrow. However, if not tomorrow, definitely Monday, alright? Or Tuesday. Wednesday I have class, Thursday, Friday. So definitely those 2 days. Once there's no emergency at school, definitely going to come on, do some work. We soon get into the heavier thing. Kerry Ann Robinson, big up. Jonathan Williams, Antoine Marbier, yeah, big up, big up. My real name is Lennox Bennett. That's my real name, right? This is not my channel name. This is my real name in a real life. And this is my real number. So anybody want help, just link me. If you want to join my class, no problem. Many persons want to do that. My friends say, I'm not to stop people. I used to limit it and say, certain number. My friends say, no, take in everybody, because guess what? They will learn from you. So I'm going to do that. I'm taking in more students and so forth. Yeah, man. Every night I come on, guys. I do a whole heap of past paper already to, you know, whole heap of thing there on the channel, guys. We just have to meds. Whole heap of thing. Biochemistry, physics. All the, alright. We need to get the ring light, a good ring light. You know. So this is the number 549. You know, it's 876, right? Jamaica with it. So that's 876-549-2161. So that's 876-549-2161. Alright? That's WhatsApp me and we can link. Every night we come on, guys. Again, you can tell the teachers, tell the students, tell the friends and so forth. Then we can forward on and make we do some work. Alright? Be a past paper question and worksheets also. We have worksheets from Campion, Arden, Immaculate, all of those schools. From students that are tutor. Woolmans, St. Mary's College, everywhere. Oberlin, Bagwalk, Gravity, big up. So his number is 876-549-21. Let me write it better, guys. It actually, the on my channel still, you know. It's on the channel itself. So let me just write it. So it's 876-549. It's important. So you can reach me directly. One number I have. Alright. So that's my number. So I'm gonna make it stay on there for your time. So you guys can get it off on thing. So it's 549-2161. So big up, guys, stay safe. No in the physical space. I'm in the physical space also. But we still make time and thing. Alright? So everybody stay safe and see you back on the live again. Alright, guys? Big up. Yeah, man, you're welcome, guys. Casey, yeah, man, welcome. Remember to share with a friend, and thing. This should go a pink wall now, guys, so people can know what go on. You see what I say? Yeah, them need to know. Because students are not taking advantage of these free live classes. Too many persons are feeling and want to stop that. But guys, I'm going to run now. Big up. Everybody stay safe. See you guys either tomorrow or Monday. Everybody up. Give them an update. Yeah. You know it's style already, you know. We are Jamaican, so we're full of flair and flavor, don't it? Yeah. So big up, guys. I'm out. No doubt.